Anyway, let's take a look at the video. Saan yan?
Yan po yung pumasok kami sa gastro ng alas 12, Your
Alas
Honor.
12. Saan kayo naroon? Dumating kayo na alas 9. Saan kayo naroon?
Nag-stay pa ho
Alas
kami sa
9.
restaurant.
Saan kayo napunta?
Yes, Your Honor.
Sa restaurant.
Hindi ko po matandaan, meron ho dong restaurant sa tabi.
And of course, tinatawagan mo siya, wala pa siya.
And at the same time, nag-uusap po kami. Tungkol
Pagka
dun sa...
tumatawag ka sa kanya, nangihingi ka ng babor.
Ay, hindi po, Your Honor.
Pero kayo naghihintay.
Your Honor, hindi po kami... Pumunta ho kami kasi pinag-uusapan pa ho namin yung nangyayari sa Fontana. Kasi kakaras lang po.
Okay, sige. Nakapagtaka lang. Kahit na sinumusmus na bata, pag tinanong mo 9 hours. O sige, tuloy niya na. Ha? Sino ang kasama mo? Dalawa kayo, di ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
O sige. O, yan, nasa casino na yan, right? O. Can you move it forward somewhere? O, yan. Sino yan? Ano, palabas na ba yan?
Yeah, siya po si Sombero, Your Honor.
Sombrero yan.
Yes, Your Honor.
Papasok siya.
Yes, Your Honor.
Dalawang bag.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Sabi mo sa akin, alaman mo na ito, 20 million yan. 10 million isang bag. Sige.
May oras po doon sa baba, Your Honor.
Alam ko. Hindi kita lulukohin. Hindi ako magsisinungaling sa iyo. Oh, yung sombrero. Dalawa. Ha? Oh, palipat na kayo yan. Ang oras dyan ay 3:30 a.m. 3:13 a.m. Dala yung dalawang bag. Lumipat kayo sa kabila. Ito na yung anong restaurant ito ngayon? Red Ginger.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Can you turn off the lights, please? Saan kayo dyan? Ito, di ba? Sino yun? Nakatayo? Tao ba yun? Go ahead. At sombrero, right? So, nilagay niya yung bag doon sa tabi, right? Tama? What's the deal here? Ito. Ito ang cashier. Diego Calima, you were the one who presented this, right? Kinuha mo ito, di ba? Ito ba yung nakuha mo? Ha? Kami nakakuha nito doon sa hotel. Ganun ba? Yes, sir. So we got this from the hotel. Ang cashier. So we're seeing this for the first time in public. Pwede bilisan nga eh. That's the cashier, sir. Yan. Ayan na. Oop, nahulog. Sumabog. Sumabog yung bag. Dalawang bag yan, ha? Tatlo na itong bag. Saan yung binibilang yung pera? Meron tayo na, ha? I want to see the extent and the magnitude of the money. Yeah, sige, dyan. Let's all be patient. Ayan na. Ayan na yung pera, oh. Sa dulo. The record show that we're pointing, the red dot is pointing to piles of money on the table. Ha? Sino ito? Kasama ba ni Sumbero yan?
Hindi ko po kilala, Your Honor.
Kasama ba ni Sumbero yan?
Hindi ko siya nakikita, Your Honor.
Sige. Pero kay Sumbero yan, di ba? Sige, siya magsasalansan yan. Pedro naman magsasalansan si Sumbero dyan mamaya. Can you move it forward, please? Kaya kinukuha na yung bag. Pero ulit. Yan na. Ayan, sino yan?
Hindi ko po kilala, Your Honor.
Pero nakita mo yan kasama ni Sumbero.
Hindi po, Your Honor.
Hindi yan.
Hindi po, Your Honor. Si Sumbero
Mr.
lang
Chair,
po yung
Attorney
nakita
Robles
ko.
said, nasa number 14 mo affidavit, may kasamang assistant si Sombrero eh.
Nung dumating po siya mga 4:30 nung tatlong
Anyway, you can lie as much as you like. The Senate has powers of contempt and we can lock you up here.
Pero hindi ko po kilala, Your Honor, yan.
Anyway, lalabas lahat yan. Pag hindi kayo makakilala, you know, you cannot lie. Later on, lalabas yan. Kaya, you better tell us the truth if you know already. Sige. O, yan na. So, malis na. Iba yung kumuha. Ayan. O, dala isa. Dalawa, tatlo. O, ayun yung kasama. O, ayan. O. So, baka casino employee yan. Kung hindi nyo kasama yan. Pero lalabas mamaya yan. Hindi casino employee yan. Sige ha. Andyan na ba kayo? Andyan na kayo? Answer the question, please. Freeze it. Is that you?
Yes,
Mr.
Your Honor.
Agostino?
Yes, Your Honor.
Why is it taking you so long to answer? Ikaw ba yan?
Yes, Your Honor.
Si Robles, sasa?
Yes, Your Honor. Katabi po ni
Ang
Argusino.
tabi. So, napapaligiran kayo ng maraming bag. Sige. Tuloy. Kilala niyo yung mga tao yan?
Kilala ko po.
Kilala mo. Sino yan?
Yung nasa likod po, actually, kapatid ko po.
Kapatid mo, yung nagdadala ng bag.
Opo.
Okay.
Kasi hindi ko naman po alam na ganyan ang pagmimitingan.
Okay lang. Anong pangalan ng kapatid mo?
Marlon Robles, Mr. Chair.
Marlon Robles.
He is already in abroad.
That's alright. So, itong nakaputi ang kapatid mo? O ito?
Puti po.
Nakaputi. Sumbero ba ito?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
So, kilala niyo Sumbero? Mr. Argusino, kilala ni Mr. Robles Sumbero?
Kasi po,
Yes, Your Honor.
katabi po
Kasi
namin
nag-present po
yun.
siya sa amin nung
gabi na yun.
October 5, Your Honor.
Ha?
Nag-present po siya sa amin nung October 5.
Kaya nga. Ayan, lumabas sa Sumbero. Di ba? Dala-dala niya na yung bag, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Sige, tuloy mo. Sino ito nasa una? Mr. Robles, sino yung nasa una?
Yan po yung kasama ni Mr. Sombero. Hindi ko po kilala.
Ito. Kapatid mo ito, si Sumbero ito, kasama niya ito. Dalawa kayo. Partner, mag-Brad. Sige, go. You know, I want to seek your cooperation para hindi na tayo mahirapan because if I were you, I'd cooperate. You seem like an unwilling partner here all the way.
Yes, Mr. Chair, we are.
We or you?
I am.
You are.
I am willing to cooperate. I'm
You're willing to
cooperating.
cooperate.
I'm cooperating, Mr. Chair.
Good. Is it not the fact that the lawyer of Mr. Argusino asked you to sit beside him and you refused? Last meeting,
No, that's not a fact.
I was the one who asked. The lawyer was my former intern and he was asking you to sit beside him and you said you're perfectly fine there. You refused, right, to sit with him?
Because I have transferred several times already, Mr. Chair.
You are-
I have already transferred in several seats, Mr. Chair.
I asked you about that. You were asked whether you were willing to sit beside him and you said no.
I
That's why you
thought
said
it was,
because.
Mr. Chair, can I explain? I thought it was your direction that I sit here
No,
away
no,
from
no,
him.
no.
That was what she told me.
Who's she?
The person who approached me.
One of the lawyers here of Mr. Agusino, where is that? Yung intern ko dati, nasaan? Anyway, again, you didn't want to sit beside him again, alright? Again. Nasaan yan? Palabas na kayo. Papunta na kayo sa parking, right?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Ay, si Mr. Sombero. Ano sinasabi dyan ni Mr. Sombero? Mr. Robles, ano sinasabi dyan? Nag-instruction sa iyo.
Yung exact words hindi ko po alam, pero he is pointing to direction kung saan kami dapat dumaan.
Sa kayo dadaan.
Opo.
Bakit?
Kasi mas alam daw niya po yun.
Siyempre. Sige. Basta hindi kayo masyadong makikita. Sino yung nakasul na yan?
Opo, Mr. Chair.
Ikaw yun. Looks like you knew where to go.
Nagbigay na po niya ng direction na dyan daw po kami dumaan. Kaya umuna na po ako kasi gusto ko na talagang makauwi.
I want to get that girl there, ha? Yung security. Comsec, can you get that girl? Go ahead. Pababa na kayo, palabas na kayo niyan, correct? Okay, hold it there. Now. Hold it. Turn on the light, please. Mr. Robles,
Yes, Mr. Chair.
nagpartihan na kayo dyan, di ba?
Doon pong sa naglalakad pa lang po kami before going to the elevator, ini-request na po sa akin ni Mr. Argusino, Attorney Argusino, na dadalhin ko yung dalawang bags.
So, dadali mo yung dalawang bag. Pinadala mo sa anak mo, sa kapatid mo.
Opo.
Yung sa kanya, kanina niya pinadala. Siya nagdala.
I do not know po kasi naghiwalay na kami. Mas
So, dinala
mabuti
mo
po
sa
siya
kotse mo?
sumagot.
Magkatabi ba yung kotse niyo sa paradahan?
Magkalayo po.
So, dilagay mo doon sa bag, yung dalawang bag sa auto mo.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Argusino? Sa iyo.
Si Wally po, Your Honor, ang naglagay.
Si Wally.
Yes, Your Honor, si Mr. Sombero.
We will play it forward. Are you sure? Si Wally
Very sure,
naglagay.
Your Honor.
And you were just a wheeling lamb. Ilagay mo na lang dyan sa bag ko. Ganun ba?
Hindi po
Sa
ganun,
maleta
Your
ko
Honor.
sa kotse ko.
Hindi po ganun, Your Honor.
You know, I'm not happy about this. That you come from a good school, well-educated, your record is not very sterling, but nonetheless, you are sported with the money, in other words. Lumabas kayo, dala nyo na yung pera.
Your Honor,
Huh?
if I may...
I'm sorry, when I raise my voice, it's because I don't get
Yes, Your Honor.
to hear you very well. I am not mad at you. I just want to tell you, you already are sported with the money.
Your Honor, we maintain, Your Honor, that this is a corruption of public official, Your Honor. This is
Alright,
not the
okay,
case, Your
that's
Honor.
your defense.
of bribery, Your Honor.
But you put it in your car and you left, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
And then, you kept it. And then according to Mr. Robles, after you brought it home, where did you hide it in your house?
In my small office, Your Honor.
So you didn't go to your home,
I have a small office in my home, Your
in
Honor.
your office, in your house.
That's correct, Your Honor.
You have a safe?
There is a small place there where I put it, Your Honor, where no one can see.
All right, so you put it there. And what about you, Mr. Robles?
Hindi ko naman po binabayad na sasakyan. Ibinigay ko rin po nung gabi sa kanya. Kay Atty. Argusino. On the same November 27.
On the same day?
Yes po.
Ano? 15. That as we were walking towards the elevator, Attorney Argusino told me that he will use the 5 bags as evidence and asked me to take 2 bags for security reasons.
That's correct, Your Honor.
And what time was that?
Po, Your Honor, yung naglalakad kami sa going to the elevator.
And going to the car, sinakay niya, kailan mo binigay sa kanya yung bagule? Ni Argusino?
Noong pong...
Not at the same time.
Hindi
You
po,
went
nung-
home, right?
not po. Nung gabi na po. Nung November
So
27.
iniwan mo na sa kotse mo yung pera?
May garahe naman po sa amin sa
No, no,
bahay.
answer my
Yes,
question.
yes, Mr. Chair.
All the time, nasa loob ng kotse mo, iniwanan mo doon.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Alright? Pagkatapos, on the evening of the 27th of the same day, alright? Pumunta kayo ni Attorney Argusino. Pinag-usapan niyo ba yun? Makikita kayo sa Dasmariñas?
Magkikita po talaga kami.
Pinag-usapan niyo?
Yes po.
Kailan niyo pinag-usapan niyo?
Prior pa po yung event na yun.
Prior, bago niyo tinanggap
yung
yung
incident
pera,
na yun.
may date
Opo,
kayo.
meron
Makikita
na
kayo
po.
sa Dasmariñas. Sa Cavite. Saan doon?
Sa yung exact po na street hindi ko po alam pero parati na rin po kami nakakapunta doon kapag may mga event.
Marami kayo
Or
nakakapunta, pero hindi mo matandaan. Well, refresh your memory. Is that a public place? It's a
It's a
park.
private place.
So, kanino yan?
It's I forgot the name of the
Alright. You met in the parking area to consolidate the evidence, kuno. Where I took out the bag, 20 million from my car and put it in Attorney Argusino's car.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Alright. And then what happened? Tuloy mo. Birthday party ng common friend, di ba kamo?
Yes po.
Sino yung birthday na yan?
Yung pong fraternity brad namin.
Ano? Sino?
Ano po?
Anong pangalan?
Alfredo Lim.
Ha?
Alfredo Lim.
Alfredo Lim.
Opo.
Ang kamag-anak pa na dyan ng Lim, ha? And then, he told you to accompany him because Mr. Argusino arranged for a meeting at Diamond Hotel.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Alright, Mr. Sumbero,
Opo.
nakita ba kayo doon?
Late po ako dumating, inabutan ko na lang po sila.
On the 28th.
Yes,
O
Mr.
ano
Chair.
nangyari doon?
Dumating lang, nakikain lang po sila naman po yung nag-uusap, palabas-labas rin ako sa hotel.
Hindi mo alam kung ano pinag-usapan.
Ang mga pinag-aabutan ko lang po
So
is yung...
indeed, you're a willing lamb. Sunod ka rin ng sunod. Junior Brad.
Nirequest lang niya po kasi yung...
No, answer my question. Sunod ka rin ng sunod. Nakikisama ka dahil senior siya sa'yo.
Hindi po sa ganun.
O,
Gusto ko rin
bakit
pong...
mo pumapayag?
Pumupunta rin po ako kasi
Tinanong
nga
ko pa
po...
sa iyo kanya na, uy, ano gagawin natin sa pera?
Yes po, tinanong ko po sa
O,
kanya.
ano
yan.
sabi niya?
Ang sabi niya po ay gagamitin daw niyang evidence. Tinanong ko rin po kung hiningi niya yung pera na yun eh. Ang sagot niya po, hindi naman niya daw hiningi.
Ano pala? Ano sabi niya?
Hindi raw naman po niya hiningi yun.
O,
Ngayon po, nung nasa Diamond
eh,
Hotel,
bakit binigyan na lang sila ng pera?
yan din po ang tinatanong ko sa kanya kasi hindi ko naman po nakakausap
If
si
ever
Mr.
dawn upon you
Sombrero.
na sabihin ka agad sa Secretary of Justice na binigyan kayo ng pera para mahuli yun?
There was a moment na minention ko po sa kanya na bakit hindi mo na-mention niya kay Secretary of Justice.
Mm.
That was after November 30, I think.
This November 28.
On November 28 po, sinabi ko na sa kanya na bakit, para saan ba yung perang binigay sa'yo?
Ano na?
Tinanong ko na po siya,
Na?
para saan ba yung talagang pera na binigay sa'yo? Na-mention ba?
So, nagdududa ka na?
Opo.
Kuno?
Nagdududa na po talaga ako doon dahil hindi ko po malaman kung bakit nagbigay ng ganong kalaking pera.
You're a lawyer. You passed the bar. Hindi ka nagtanong, oy, baka bribe yan, ha?
Something like that. Ang ano ko po, I sense that there is
Ano
something
sinabi mo?
wrong with it.
You asked Agustin to stay for, I asked Attorney Agustin to stay for a while and discuss the situation. Sabi ko sa kanya, nagtataka ako, bakit Mr. Sombrero never mentioned anything about the money? Wala siyang binanggit tungkol sa pera binigay sa inyo. I told Attorney Agustino that the money was forced to us to be used as a leverage to advance Mr. Sombero's interests. Sinabihan mo yun?
Yun po
Ano
ang...
yung sabihin? Sinabihan mo si Argusino na sinigay sa inyo yung pera. Paano mo nalaman, pinuwersa kayong tanggapin yung pera para sa kapakanan ni Mr. Sombero?
Kasi naman po, hindi naman po kami nanghihingi. Hindi rin ako nanghihingi ng pera.
Hindi ka rin nagsusumbong na binigay ka. Limpak-limpak na salapi yung binigay sa inyo. Hindi ka nagsusumbong sa inyong superior officers.
Sinasabi ko po sa kanya, wala po kasi akong...
Paliwanag mo sa akin why it took you until December 13 to file the case at ilabas yung pera nung nagkabukuhan na case kay Mr. Tulfo. Alam mo, it's just like pulling teeth. Tinatanong ko kayo, talagang lalo kayo nababaon. Hindi sa sinasabi niyo sarili, hindi ako nababaon sa inyo.
Mr. Chair, there were several incidents that transpired and actually wala naman po kasi ako dito na control dito sa transaction na to. It was Argusino who was investigating o who talked with Wally Sombero about this. Ako po sinasamahan ko lang
Hindi
talaga.
kaya natatakot ka dahil may nag-uutos sa inyo na malaki na huwag niyo ibibigay yung pera?
Wala naman po.
Oh, bakit hindi ka magsasabi niyan?
Mr.
You're
Chair,
familiar with bribery, right?
yes, I understand.
Are you a
Yes.
public official?
Yes, during that time, Mr. Chair.
Yes, you are, right?
Yes.
Hindi ka natakot na, uy, binigyan tayong pera, tumanggap tayo.
Insofar
Sinasabi
as,
mo, pinawar sa akin ng Agustino, uy, corruption of public officials yan. Bakit hindi natin sinumbong?
but the money was received in evidence. The purpose of the receipt was for only physical possession, Mr. Chair. That was what told me about
I
it.
would not want to think that you represent your school because I'm sure your school taught you proper law.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Because kung ikaw yun, dapat sinabi mo na kagad yan. Anyway, if you insist on this line, I will let you do that. Your affidavit speaks for itself. Your statement speaks for itself. And I'm asking, I already told you, you should cooperate because kung meron ka nalalaman na malalaking tao dito involved, dapat siguro, ang sinabi niya lang, corruption of public officials. Ano lumabas doon sa inyong investigasyon? Nagpunta kayo doon sa Puntana. Nasa nga nga pala, Commissioner Montero, yung hiningi ko sa inyong listahan. Pag may hiningi sa inyo ang Blue Ribbon, huwag niyong ibibulaga sa amin, dapat pag-aaralan namin yan. 101,319 yan.
1,316, sir.
Oh, you corrected me, correct?
Yes, sir.
Do you have it?
We have it, sir. We were told to bring it today, sir.
No, you were told to give it to us.